A busy morning in Bright Sparks. Wild Guy is picking apples. Lots of apples.
I'm in the money, I'm in the money. I got a lot of apples which I'll happily pick and sell.
And here's Posty, carrying presents for someone.
Happy birthday.
It must be someone's birthday.
Oh, I'll get it. Happy birthday to me. Oh.
Happy birthday, Aoife. Shine here. These are for Wild Guy.
Oh. These are all for Wild Guy?
Looks like it.
Wait. These could all be presents for me from Wild Guy.
I'm gonna have to put you on hold. No. Bye. If you're looking for fresh homegrown apples, I'm your guy. Wild Guy Apples, the best in town. That's right, Wild Guy Apples, the best in town.
Oh, hi, Wild Guy. Posty just delivered lots of parcels for you back at the house.
Great, they've arrived. I ordered new runners, a new jacket, a nice new compass. I even ordered the new video game Forest Frenzy from Mrs. O's shop.
Great. Anything else?
No. See, I went a bit wild and I bought myself some presents. But I'll be able to pay for them once I've sold all these apples that I've picked for my treat. Wild Guy Apples? How may I direct your call?
Well, who wouldn't love presents on their birthday?
Why, yes, they are very juicy.
So, how many have you sold so far?
I'll call you back. Well, let's see. And then well, 0 so far, but I'll definitely have sold all these by the end of the day. I'm going to make a sweet fortune. Aoife, you didn't think that I forgot your birthday, did you?
Oh, Wild Guy! Okay. This voucher entitles you to juicy, delicious apples from Wild Guy's Apples Incorporated.
You're welcome. Help yourself.
Thanks. And I'll see you at my party later, right?
Oh, definitely. But I have to sell all my apples first. Then you'll see me at the party.
Oh, okay. Bye, Wild Guy.